Welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm going to be fitting some sidebars to my Vauxhall Vivaro and some rear bumper diffusers as well. Sorry about the noise in the background. These are all the nuts that come with it, and I think that when you go under here, the nuts just clip over. Try and get this one back out. I'll show you with this one if I can. So they just hang over into the hole. Hopefully, that's right. It's got a bit more light and better angle on this front one, so hopefully it should be a little bit better. Okay guys, that's it for my first video. If you stayed until the end, could you please leave a like and comment, and hopefully my videos will get better as I progress. Thank you.